Hello, everyone. Welcome to New Tech. I am with another quick tutorial. How to fix AirPlay icon missing on the iPhone, or iPad, or Mac. Now, let's start. First of all, make sure that you have up-to-date version of iOS software on your device. Go to Settings. In General, tap on Software Update. Then, check the AirPlay icon. If the AirPlay icon appears, then your problem solved. Otherwise, go to the App Store application. Then, in the search box, type AirServer Connect. After that, tap on AirServer Connect. Then, tap on the Download button. After completing the download, open this application. Now, on the computer, go to the web browser. Then, go to this link. The link is available on the description of the video. Once you are on this page, click on the Get button. On the pop-up window, click on the Open button. Then, click on the Install button. After that, click on the Launch button. Now, if you have the activation key, then enter here. Otherwise, click on the Continue Trial. Now, on my iPad device, it shows me the AirPlay icon. On the computer, go to the bottom left corner of the AirServer application. Then, click on the three-line menu bar icon. On the left panel, select the AirPlay tab. Then, on the right panel, enable the AirPlay button. Now, on your device, tap on the AirPlay icon. On the pop menu, you will see your computer name. Then, tap on your computer name. On the computer, you will see your device screen. Great. It's working. If you have any difficulty, then do not hesitate to comment below. Okay. That's it for today. I will see you in the next tutorial, with amazing and interesting topics. And, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.